Toodaloo, happy holidays. Let's do another one of these live streaming. You like it? I do like the potential of this. Okay, let's have a look at the components. Toodaloo. You don't need this many icons. And you don't have error states. Let's check the design really quick. Light and dark mode, which I assume don't run variables. And by the looks of it, is done manually, just the way the colors are set up. Let's jump into the actual designs. I'm mirroring this on my phone as well. You need more contrast on these borders, these buttons. UX, as usual, is not bad. But it does look much better in Figma, I think. Doesn't look that great on the mobile device. Just like the proportion of the colors don't really feel right. And I know the light version feels like it's missing some stuff. I had a look before this and did some cleanup. This was just cut off completely, something like this. So I need to optimize, make sure all the streaming medias are still visible as you add your elements, unless you want to do some fancy overlays. Overall, it's not a bad kit, but I think if you're looking at like the top streaming apps, this one seems super light. And on a different note, the dark version looks so much better. Just because the pictures pop up more. So yeah, this would be more entertaining. I would probably skip the light. Yeah, this is what I was talking about with the streaming, how it's cut off when not done properly. But yeah, other than that, it's super clean, super nice. Just the way that you interact during the streams. That section could probably use some additional work. Other than that, yeah, there's a bunch of stuff here that you could reuse and plenty of auto layout and stuff. Yeah, not bad. Not bad.